Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review swatch and tutorial on two different products, lip products by Colourpop Cosmetics. And the first one here is BFF, the Lippie Pencil, and it is 1 out of 40, I believe, different shades that they have available. This is a warm nude, and in my opinion, it's more of a contouring shade, a perfect kind of lighter, softer contouring shade. And it's definitely one of my favorites to use. You'll definitely be seeing this lip pencil being used in a lot of my close-up videos, but as you can see, it's very creamy, it's very comfortable. I have dry to normal skin, so I have dry to normal lips. I definitely have wrinkles in my lips and all that natural lines that you get when you don't have injections or anything like that. But this is what the shade looks like lined on my close-up lips, and it also looks a little bit cooler from face view because I do have medium to tan olive skin. And I do also want to mention that it does retail for $6 for 0.035 ounces of product, and it's vegan and cruelty free, and I definitely love it. It's one of my favorites, and I like to pair it with more lighter shades when I'm doing looks. But this is what it looks like from face view. And I do want to move on to the next product, which is a ultra glossy lip, and this is the shade PS, and this is described as a golden peach. And for the ultra glossy lips, especially in the there's so many to choose from, but out of the categories to choose from, this one is more of a sheer tint. It has a subtle shimmer and a glass-like shine, and I definitely love it for more natural everyday looks because it gives you just a hint of that peach, which you can see in the swatch right here next to BFF, and I like to pair those two together. But this retails for $7, and you get 0.11 ounces of product. It ranges from the orange and coral shades. It's vegan and cruelty free again, and you do get that little kind of brush tip applicator, so I do build it up and take my time so that I don't have to clean it up or anything like that. But as you can see, it's definitely glass-like, and it's definitely a beautiful kind of sheer golden orangey coral peach shade. But Colourpop is amazing because they have so many to choose from. There's about 63, I believe, different glossy lips to choose from. This is only one of them, so definitely stay tuned for future other shades that I'm going to do in videos. But that was my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists. I do have a Colourpop playlist. I also have lip swatches playlist, so go ahead and check those out and subscribe to my channel. But I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.